હા, તારું આવી ગયું છે.
Okay, all right. Okay, we can start the class. Good evening. And we will bow down at Acharya Shri's feet, lotus feet, and at my yoga guru's feet. And we will start this class today. And before we start, we will take 3 deep breaths and get rid of tiredness, fatigue, negativities, all the worldly thoughts. Inhale with a big smile. Exhale with big mouth open. Inhale, inhale, and exhale out. And as usual, we are going to start tapping our Swadhisthana. Now everybody knows where Swadhisthana is. 2 inches below the belly button and 2 inches inside. So with your fist, little finger side, put your thumb inside, little finger side, and you can start tapping your Swadhisthana. Second chakra. Check your posture. 11 o'clock feet or parallel, tailbone, not like this, but tucked in, shoulders relax, smile, and feet shoulder width apart. So gently bouncing if your knees are good. So mouth open throughout the class. This is the only class where you can keep your mouth open. You go out, people will say shut your mouth. So enjoy this time. This is your time. This is appointment, self-appointment to feel good and to get rid of what we don't want. Always start by warming up, and I just do not have enough words to emphasize, starting with Swadhisthana. Second chakra, that is the balancing chakra in the body. Whole upper and whole lower body is balanced by balancing this chakra. Exhale out. Exhale out through your mouth. And do not worry that how strongly you should hit or how softly. Your energy flows where your mind goes. So it does not depend how soft or how hard you hit. You do as you like, but your mind has to be here. Focused activities bring results. Otherwise, it is simply throwing arrows without knowing what we are doing. So put your all the attention right here. Focused activity. And you will soon realize that how good it does to your body. ગુજરાતીમાં એક proverb, ટીપે ટીપે સરોવર ભરાય. A small drop, एक एक बूंद से सरोवर बनता है. वैसे ही you may not realize that these small things, how they build up the strong physical body, energy body, and spirit body. Everybody has their own spirit, but we think we don't have energy, so drink Bonvita and drink Proteinus and drink this and that. And no, you do have your energy body. Only thing it is sleeping. This is awakening. How many times you can do? In class I have to follow some time limits. Otherwise you can do 10,000 times. There is no limit. Exhale out. Exhale out. Exhale out through your mouth. Bounce your knees. If your knees are good. If your knees are not good, don't worry. Just stand and do it. So You have to listen to your body, but certainly you are in the class, so you have to challenge yourself. If you don't challenge it right now, there is no other time. In given situation, in present moment, you live. And everybody turned their cell phones off. Thank you. If you need to talk to me in the middle, certainly you can turn it on, but otherwise, turn it off. All right. Now, we are going to do fast walk. Either you can do like this if you are tired, if your knees hurt, or you can pick up and do this, or you can do warm up. It's very cold in Chicago, but I still have fan on because the minute you start exercise, what happens? Your energy circulates, blood circulation improves, you start feeling warm. So take an advantage of that because your sweat brings out toxins. You can do this also, simply walk. Slow, pick up or jog. Mouth open, mouth open, mouth open, mouth open. Turn off yourself, mute yourself please, thank you. Slowly stop, exhale out. And now, like last time, because of the function over there, we could not have the class after 30-40 minutes. We will start all over again. So little warm up. Now get your chair and be seated on a chair. You can sit on a chair, or if you have a ball, you can sit on a ball. Exhale out. Exhale out. Exhale out. Exhale out. Are you comfortably seated? We are going to take care of pelvic floor today, okay? All right. Now, balance yourself first. I am on a bouncy ball, so it is good to have bouncy ball because then you learn also to balance yourself. If not, chair is always other alternative, and this is good for many other exercises. Don't worry if you don't need to buy. Relax and take deep breath in, deep breath out. And now start 3 breaths, pulling your pelvis up towards your head. Think that there is a string attached to your perineum and bring that up with every inhalation and drop it. Bring it up. A string is pulling it up. Drop it. Pull it up. Drop it. Now let's incorporate breath. Inhalation. Deep breath. Exhale. Now, once again, inhale and While exhaling, your belly goes in and your pelvis contracts. Get into that feeling. Inhale, open, exhale, contract, everything comes together. Inhale, expand, exhale, contract. Get into this feeling and don't worry if you do not. But while exhaling, contract. Inhale, big. Yeah.
When I
Yeah.
inhale, my stomach comes out.
Pardon?
When I inhale, my stomach comes out.
Yes, inhale, stomach is to come out because you are expanding, you are inhaling. So
Okay.
stomach comes out. When you ha, see, when you ha, put your hands on your belly. Ha, stomach goes in, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
That's good.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So when you inhale means balloon में air जाती है. तो air जाती है तो क्या होता है? You expand, right? So this is how you expand. And then, so get into that feeling and then put your chair aside, your ball aside, or whatever you have, and have comfortable position on the floor. Nobody has to get uptight about anything. Now here, just stay. Adjust yourself. Take 3 breaths. Expand yourself. 3 breaths up, 3 breaths. When you go up, side of the rib cage opens up. Rib cage comes down. Expand. Exhale out. Now, wherever you are, put your left knee, left foot bent and right. Bend it. Keep it like this. And remember, do not worry. If your knees are bad, you can just keep it like this. But if you can try, sit like this. So your left knee is bent, right is going back, right, left. Now, what we will do, take breath and take your right hand, put it on left knee, bring your left hand behind and twist your spine, and at that time what will happen, your right gluteus, right buttock, right bum comes up, but try to make sure that it stays somewhat down. Don't lift it up if possible, and it is good not to lift it up. Down. Take deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Pay attention to your breath in this, and then I am going to tell you about triangles. So you just stay there and I am going to explain. We are going to address today urinary incontinence, leakage of urine, weakness of pelvic floor. This is very common. It is 1 in 4 ladies and 1 in 6 men. They suffer from this. and that is due to weakness of our muscles. We can strengthen our biceps like this or triceps like this, but there is no way. How do you strengthen this pelvic floor which has been traumatized? Ladies, if C-sections, deliveries, men, prostate or other injuries. So this is the area we don't generally address. So we need to focus on that. So we have to pay attention that how the structure is. There is like urethra, then there is female opening, then there is anus. This is called perineum. So this area is like a hammock, which goes from front to back, and there are muscles which are going in an oblique fashions. So it is like supported. So when these muscles get loose, what happens? Herniation of what? Urinary bladder, uterus and rectum. We have seen all three. We see one also. And these structures become completely out also, which is called prolapse. Like we say prolapse disc, herniated disc. Like that these things herniate here. So before going to get some surgeries or start taking pills, better to get our muscles strong. And then those things are always there if it does not fit. Why people switch to medicine? Because these exercises will take 6 months to strengthen the floor, to soften the floor and to make it powerful. So we have to have patience, which in today's world nobody has. But if we have time, even if you are on medications, you can strengthen. And this is good way to strengthen so you don't run into more exaggerated problems. This problem is delayed by 6 years in female because they feel shy to go to doctor, and it gets worse. So there is nothing to feel shy about. This is a very common problem, and we all like to have all firm muscles, no sagging the skin, and then strong biceps and strong triceps and six packs and like that. This area we need to have firm. So we can firm it up by these simple exercises. If you do it, it takes 10 minutes. But when we are learning, it will take more time. But learn it, and then you can do it any time of the day. Even when you are like ready to go to washroom, make sure what you are going to do. So here we will start now. Here we did one side, so opposite side, and now you have some idea that what is happening. Now take your left hand on your right knee, twist, 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 and think that your pelvis is coming up when you are inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Get into the tune of the muscles getting contracted and loose, contracted and loose. Get into that feeling. First you have to feel. Don't worry about anything else. Where can I breathe? Where can I drop? It will become very easy once we get into it. So just focus, twist, turn. Oblique muscles of the pelvis are getting strong. And this hammock. Inhale, exhale. While inhaling in this posture, you are contracting and bringing your pelvic floor up and down. Up. The energy will flow where your mind goes. Pay attention to your pelvic region. Now one more time. Twist and turn more. It is neuromuscular connection. It is body and brain connection. We will get into breath little later. But first let us connect brain and body, neuromuscular connection, and get into the feeling of it. We have never ever tried these things before, so we feel that we cannot do. Oh my God, what it is? Do not worry. It is very simple, and we will make it even more simple. So hang in there, and don't get frustrated. By getting frustration, it won't help. So now, final 10. Twist, turn, rotate, spinal movement, as well as your hips, as well as your hammock. Hammock is coming up, hammock is going down. Hammock is coming up, hammock is going down. Hammock is coming up, hammock is going down. And slowly come back and get into butterfly posture. Now you know, throughout this class you are going to put your mind in your pelvic floor. You are going to make mind-body connection, brain-body connection, neuromuscular connection. Urinary bladder leakage is due to muscle weakness, sometimes due to nerve weakness, sometimes due to trauma, but for old people, most likely it is muscular weakness. So, get into this butterfly. You may be here, you may be here. After 6 months, you could be here. So, just strengthen. What is this doing? It is opening up your groin. It's opening up your groin, and hold your feet in front, shoulders down, and spine straight. And now, take deep breath, exhale out. In, pelvic floor is going up, pelvic floor going down, pelvic floor going up, pelvic floor going down, pelvic floor. If you cannot remember, you can just do little bit like this. So what happens? Everything closes and then opens, closes, opens, closes, opens. So simple movements, like even when you are doing simply butterfly, that's what it is doing, but that time we are not focused on these parts. So right now, what we are doing? Opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing, open. And how can you do? You can be watching TV, you can be like sitting in family room and talking with your family members, and you could be you don't have to tell that you are doing Kegel exercise and you are doing this and that. You just stay straight, go to the wall. If your spine cannot stay straight, and simply do this. And you do this and you remember, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, and then stay there. You can keep stop clock and see that how long can you stay closed, open, close, open, close, open, close. You did great job. Now you know the hang of it. So what will we do now? Now put your both palms on your knees and try to bend forward. Open up your groin, open up your pelvis. Pelvic floor made up of many muscles, internal oblique, external oblique, and there is a hammock there which is supporting, which is going from your pubic bone behind to your sacrum, all these things. So now make it strong. Open up your inner thighs, open up your groin, and then press on your knees, and then slowly come forward. Pay attention to your pelvis and perineum, and every breath you take, try to go with your mind inside your lower belly, And when you take your lower belly in, everything is closing, then relaxing, closing, relaxing. Lower belly in, all the openings close, relax, close, relax, close, relax. Now close and stay there. You can take normal breath, but if you want to be really incorporating breath, then inhale, open, exhale, your belly goes in and openings close. Slowly get into this fill, and once you are into this, you will really be able to make your pelvic floor and all the muscles very strong. And what we are going to do is, now we will lie down and do some exercises, but before that, think about 2 index finger and 2 thumbs like making a triangle. So this triangle is going to be, this diamond shaped triangle is in our perineum, pelvic floor. So think a line going from your thumb region to this thumb. So we are dividing 2 triangle, upper triangle and lower triangle. So these triangles, when we lie down and we do exercise, we are going to focus around anus, around our female opening and around our urethra. It goes from front to back. So we will start focusing on these 3 areas, and simple way to explain when you lie down is, everybody lie down and then what happens? Just relax and you put your focus on your perineum, and when I explain, you just think that there are diamond shaped triangle in the pelvis, and what you will do, you don't have to contract your butt. No, it is not contracting your butt. We want to contract only the muscles, as though we do not want to fart, we do not want to pee, and in between that other opening through which the uterus comes out, we want to make that muscle like a strong opening close. So how are we going to do that? Hammock. So lie down and don't contract your gluteal muscles. No, just focus, close the muscles around your anus and open it up. Take breath, open. Exhale, contract that muscle. Only that muscle around the anus. And now contract around front, as though you want to stop your pee. We all do this pee and fart every day, many times. So close only those muscles. Don't try to constrict or contract your whole pelvis. No. We want to only focus in that limited perineum area. So you can close your eyes and visualize the triangle. You are closing your muscles in the back part around your anus, and keep it closed, and closing around your urethra. Relax your shoulder and let it go. Take a deep breath in and let everything become loose. Then once again constrict those openings, and if you want to remember, then you can open the fist and close your fist. That way you will remember that you want to close these openings by making those muscles contract, relax. You can close your eyes. You can take care of the muscles like that. How many times you can do? Minimum 10 times you can do. You can do more number of times, but we are doing other exercises. So I am just showing it to you that open and close, this is how you do. Now bend both the knees. And what we are going to do, get into bridge. So bridge means you are going to lift your butt up and then lower it down. So lower it down means expansion. Bring it up, contraction, expansion. Now let's put breath with it, okay? So take a deep breath. Now while exhaling, come up and think you are picking up jelly bean with the help of your perineum. Hold the jelly bean and till the last exhale, when you lower your bum, let the jelly bean go. Get hang of it. First you are taking inhalation, then you are contracting your perineum and picking up the jelly bean. So everything closes because you can't pick up something by open hands or feet or openings. Pick up the jelly bean. And that time bridge, raise your bum off the floor. And when you are good at it, you can take normal breaths. By this, let it do its own work of contraction, but you take normal, but don't worry about that. Right now, I'm showing you with the help of hand also. You don't have to use your hands, but just to remind that relax, exhale, come up, pick up the jelly bean, hold the jelly bean, hold it, all the openings close. Last exhale, bum down. You can always close your eyes and get the feel of it. Last time. You can do all this 10 to 15 times to begin, and 3 times a week or twice in a day for few weeks, or one time depending on your time. Now you are big and you are like a balloon with air. Now exhalation, contract, pick up, jelly bean, butt off the floor. Don't lose your beautiful smile. Belly is in. So I hope everybody got hang of this exercise. If not, you can at the end certainly ask me, or even now you can unmute and ask me. But this is what it is. And now what we are going to do is open and close both legs. So here, keep your feet together, okay? And then open. You can keep for your chest, to open up chest also at the same time, your arms like a behind your head. But if you are not comfortable, you can put it on the side, and these things together, you are open, close. So close around those areas. You can close your eyes, and open means open everything. Pick up the jelly bean. Last exhale, come down. Close. Pick up the jelly bean. Hang in there. Don't drop your jelly bean. You can close your eyes and feel your body. What has happened with us? We have become thinkers. So we have stopped feeling the body unless there is a pain. So we have to get back to feel of the body. We ask people in the class, what do you feel, what do you, how are you, what do you, say, let me think what I feel. You don't need to put brain there. You feel, that's it. So just feel. Open, pick up the jelly bean. Last exhale. Take deep breath in. Pick up the bean. Try. Then come up and let's be happy baby. Happy baby. How you have seen babies, right? They hold on to their toes and of course they put their toes on in their mouth, which we will not be able to do at this age. Maybe. See how far I am because I stopped doing. So, but these are like happy baby postures. Open up, open up. Actually, babies do all the yoga asanas. If we look at babies, we learn a lot. So, by doing this, you just see what is happening to your pelvis. Just focus. What is happening? And now, in this, open, pick up the jelly bean, stay there, let go of jelly bean, pick up, don't get tense, relax. This will help opening up groins and making your bones strong. You are off the ground, so gravity is helping to make your bones strong. At the same time, you are focusing on your pelvic floor. Open. Lots of people have very tight pelvic floor, so happy baby posture helps a lot. Open. Jelly bean. And this will make your thighs, this big quad, so strong. Your knees strong, your spine, your lower belly. By doing this, you are not challenging your core muscles. By lifting, put your palms on the belly and then lift. Immediately you see that your core muscles and lower belly is coming into action. So how many things we are doing at the same time? Like this, like this. So entire lower body and core muscles. So if you are tired, you can of course do like this on the floor, but always challenge. This is advanced. Open and close, open and close. So this is really, really good. And then what will we do? Put your palms behind your lower thigh and rock if you can. Okay, you don't have to really damage yourself or something, but rocking. This is great way to make your spine, core and pelvis strong. Rock, rock. You can do as many times as you want. There are no numbers for that, okay? Okay. And a giveaway, take away, home, take home pearl. It prevents small kidney stones. It gets rid of 2 to 3 millimeter kidney stones. Rocky. 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 How many times? As many times as you want. We have done 100 times and I am still around. My daughter had kidney stone after baby's birth and I asked our big master what to do. So he said, rolling back. So I said, and what else? Rolling back. I said, and what else? He said, rolling back. I said, I got the message. Rolling back. Rolling back. You get rid of small kidney stones. All right. Now, you all are doing great. So I told you to bring a towel, right? So get the towel like this. Keep it ready. And let's, if you can be like on your toes, if not, don't worry. You can be supporting yourself like froggy, froggy, You want to be froggy? Be a froggy. Be a froggy. And if you can go down like this, that's great. If not, do not worry. This is the time to support yourself right there. How easy it is? And you are already open. So do not worry. And if you always keep certain things, like when you do yoga, like small pillow, like some people like to use pillow, okay, take pillow, fine, but pillows could be soft unless you buy a very hard pillow. Or and so this, like you can put it here also. So we think, oh, I cannot sit down like this, I cannot be a frog, I used to do when I was young. No, you can start. So in India, if you remember olden style of washrooms, and even if you go to China today, where we have gone to Himalayas, there was no other way. So at times good to practice. So be a froggy. Loosen up your pelvis, strengthen your body, put your neuromuscular connections together. You are activating 6 meridians in ankle, 6 meridians in your wrist. Your spine is strong. And now get into this posture. If you want, you can take towel. If you don't want towel, you don't need to use. And with towel also it becomes easier. Then stay like this. Open up. Open up your pelvis. This is great exercise. Great exercise. Every day try to sit like this. Keep in family room also some pillows like that or towel, and slowly get up. Slowly with spine straight, coming down. Slowly get up. Entire body is in action. What a great way to treat yourself. While going down, exhale. While coming up, put your fingers towards your chest and expand. Inhale. So you opened up. Great job. And if you cannot be in either of these postures, not like this or not, then what do? You stay like this. Okay? There are always, you can change depending on your body's condition. And then you work so hard, get into child's pose. Child's pose. It is your butt on your heels and go down towards the Mother Earth. Put your forehead there. You can keep your arms by the side. Exhale out. And feel your pelvis. Our focus is on pelvis, okay? And see how you are contracting. Take breath in and out. Inhale, exhale. Movements in the pelvis as the pelvis, the pelvic floor is going towards your brain. And for some reason, if you cannot be in child's pose, then you do puppy pose. Like you put your butt really up in the air like this and contract your pelvis, open, contract, open, contract, open, contract. Focus only in that region. How many times? As many times as you want. Then, great job. Now sit with your knees apart, toes together. Hover and sit. Take a deep breath, spine straight. Deep breath. Feel your body, spine straight. And now take deep breath, inhalation. Exhalation, come up and pick up the jelly bean. Contract. Last exhale, going down. Take deep breath in, pick up your jelly bean. Hold it. Drop it. Inhale. Toes are together. Knees are out. Inhalation, you are down there. You are expanded. Exhalation, coming up, picking up the jelly bean. Hold it. Don't drop it. Last exhale, coming down. So this is like hover posture, which you do inhalation and picking up jelly bean and then stay there and drop it. This is very important to do these exercises, and it makes your thighs, your spine, your whole body very, very strong. And then what we shall do is lying down with your head resting on, under your head is resting on your extended arm, your feet are together, your palm is supporting your rib cage. Take deep breath in, exhale out. In, so you know ribs are expanding. Out. Now when you take, this is core breath, and then pick up. Coming down. Now when you are going up, expand. First get into the movement and then we'll pick up the jelly bean. Okay? Stay there and hold the jelly bean. Coming down. Core breath. Exhale, lower belly getting inside, hold the jelly bean. Come down. Inhale, exhalation, pick up the jelly bean, hold it. Last exhale, coming down. So here, lying down. Inhalation, you feel the expansion of ribs, and on exhalation you are picking up the gel, like you are pulling the string pelvis towards your head to the skull. So think the string is pulling it up. Stay there, don't get tense. And with last part of exhalation, dropping the bin. So this is very simple. You can do it in your bed, morning or evening or afternoon, whenever you are lying down. This is simple. Inhale, exhalation, pull up the things towards your heart and brain. Hold the jelly bean. Great job. And then this is not it. There are many exercises which you can certainly do. So one more is we have to sit and Everybody has heard about Kapalbhati and Ramdevji Baba, of course. It is shiny skull breath or short, sharp exhalation. So, what we need to do, sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, calm down, and your spine straight. If not, you can sit near the wall. And what is Kapalbhati? You breathe through your nose and you engage your pelvic floor and short, sharp exhale. So every time you exhale, you see the pelvic floor coming up. Think it is coming up instead of contracting. Okay? So first take normal deep breath in, breath out. Totally relax, totally relax. You don't have to get like tensed up. Okay? Even if you don't get it this time, don't worry. Now, how will you do? Short and sharp. Okay? So bring up every time you are exhaling, like a string is pulling your pelvis to your core, heart, throat, mouth to skull. Kapalbhati, bright skull. So focus, perineum. Close your eyes. Focus on pelvis. If you get tired, you can stop in the middle and once again, short, sharp, exhale. Pelvis with a string coming up. Lower belly going in. Every day you can do this, starting with 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, as long as you do something, but increase that. Like today you have done 20 times, tomorrow you do 21, or depending on your body strength. Kapalbhati. And this is bandha, like people talk about 3 bandhas. This is one bandha, is like closing. Then second one is belly bandha, and third one is this bandha, throat. There are 3 bandhas, 1, 2 and 3. So these are very, very important. We may not do 3 at a time, but if this at least we can short, sharp, exhale. And every exhale, like belly is going in, pelvis is coming up. Gently relax. You did such a good job. And you can be in this posture and go into meditation for a few minutes, or you can lie down, and I will teach you one simple thing. If you plan to lie down, I would like you to have some gadget like that towel which I have tied up with a string like this to make it firm and hard. So what I do, chest opener, spine strengthening, and you can do this way below your spine, and Savasana. So at the same time your chest is opening, your heart is opening, you are totally relaxed, shoulders are going towards the ground, your pelvis is relaxed, your whole body. Simply stay there for a few minutes. Close your eyes. Let go of everything. Leave behind what you don't want and take along with you what you really want. Let your jaws drop. Everything drop. People without the towel, I have seen they hold at times, their shoulders very tight, their jaws are closed. No, gravity. So I found out that putting a towel, gravity pulls it. Telling the students 100 times did not help. So put the towel and everything. I know it is too comfortable because mainly people are doing this from America, these exercises right now. So don't go to sleep. We really have to come out of this Savasana or relaxing pose, and I'll teach you many more things with this posture. I really help my rotator cuff with that. And then come up. I know I don't want to get up, right? It's so relaxing and so peaceful. It's okay. Now, what we are going to do, last but not the least, is we are going to have like chakki, atta piso. This prevents 25 times this way, 25 times this way, and it prevents uterine prolapse, rectal prolapse. So, chakki piso. Pura, your elbow should be straight when you are coming in front or going to the side. And chakki piso. Pura belly is getting churning. अभी तो 25 बार नहीं करेंगे, टाइम शायद नहीं है, मगर you can do this 25 बार. One side, belly, spine, perineum, uterine prolapse prevented. Then opposite side. And you can twist and turn your mouth, do the facial exercise, stretchy for whole spine, arms, legs. Wow, what a beautiful massage. Wow. Great job. And bouncing knees or your pindis, like I talked to you that these are our second heart. So let's not forget our second heart. We all worry about this heart here, but this is second heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. And bouncing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay there. Elongate your spine. Exhale and you will come further down by 1 inch. 1 inch. 1 inch. Touch your elbow to the floor if you can. If not, don't worry. Okay? Here we are not in competition with anyone. But you challenge yourself. Okay? I love my knees. So, namaskar to my knees. And 1, 2, 3. And then we will have clapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. And raise it up. Great job. Great job. And both. Close. And we will put our both palms on our Swadhisthana. Big smile and Shoulders relaxed. And what we'll do, if your one leg is in front, then try to bend from here. Then come up and change other foot in front. And you will see the difference. One is more flexible. One glute gets pulled more than the other. So that much stiffness. Everybody has different pattern of sides of the body. So without lifting butt on the floor. Coming up. You can start with one leg in front, no lifting of butt. Second leg in front, no lifting of butt. Great job. Swadhisthana Chakra. Namaste. We'll end the class with bowing down at Acharya Shri's lotus feet and my yoga guru. And thank you very much for sharing your lovely time with me, special time with me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pranam Masi, thank you.
Very good.
You all.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you.